Nash Community College offers an early childhood education program that prepares students to work with children from infancy through age 8. In this program, students will learn about physical and social-emotional development, supporting nutritional needs, addressing children's educational needs, all while providing developmentally appropriate care. Students will gain lecture and real-world experience through interning on-site at local childcare centers or right here at Nash Community College's Betsy Currin Child Development Center. Upon completion, students in the licensure transfer track can transfer to a 4-year educational institution working towards a teaching licensure with a 4-year degree. Non-licensure students can pursue immediate employment in local childcare centers, preschools, HeadStart programs, or public schools. For more information, visit nashcc.edu or call 252-451-8317.